Fox 11 News at noon.
There is more controversy over a proposed Hollywood skyscraper. Some are concerned the tower is being built over an active earthquake fault. Here's Gina Silva.
This is one project that seems to have one problem after another. Nothing seems to be running smoothly when it comes to the Hollywood Millennium Project. This morning, opponents held a news conference to expose what they call the conflict of interest between the city and the developer of this construction project. They have filed a complaint in LA County Superior Court alleging that the city failed to disclose the father and son relationship between the general manager of the city's Department of Building and Safety and a paid intern at a law firm that reps the developer of this project. The developer has already said, yes, there is a relationship, but we made sure to have an ethical wall between the two. Opponents had this reaction.
It's an outrageous statement for them to claim that having the son of the head guy that's overseeing your earthquake safety issues being paid by the very same law firm that represents the developer in all of its city hall applications, including to the Building and Safety Department, to suggest that that's irrelevant is just so disingenuous that it shocks the conscience.
And aside from this complaint, the city and the developer are already facing a lawsuit that alleges they didn't disclose that the two buildings that they plan to have here in Hollywood are next to the fault line, a fault line that could produce an earthquake as big as a 7.0 or even bigger. So a lot of issues here. Now these opponents say they are demanding an investigation into what they call a conflict of interest. That is the latest reporting from Hollywood. I'm Gina Silva. Back to you guys in the studio.